Hey everybody, it's Matt, and I'm super excited to come to you today because our license plates have arrived, and so we're going to be getting those out to all of our staff and all of our sales associates as a celebration. For those of you that were at our quarterly meetings, you saw where as a family we want to, as a thank you to all of our staff and all of our sales associates, we wanted to give you a Coldwell Banker McMahan Company license plate because Jerry just loved a car, and he just especially loved a car with a Coldwell Banker McMahan license plate on the front of it. And so we want to make sure that all of our staff and all of our sales associates have the blue and white on the front of their car so that we can splash it around town and just really get the blue and white out there. So looking forward to getting these in your hands. And one of the things that also I thought would be kind of fun is when you get your license plate, grab a Sharpie and turn it over, and before you put it on your car, if you want to do like a little video of you putting it on your car to post, that would be cool. Or if you just wanted to write a little something on the back, so like something that means something to you, so like I might write hashtag MGTHFOP, making good things happen for other people. We could also, whatever you do, tag it, take a picture of it or video it, tag it to CBM, hashtag CBM 2018. That way we can use it in some advertising. And then if you have like a special something, a quote or a Bible verse or something that means something special to you, it'd be kind of cool to write that on the back too. So for me, I've got one that I'll put on there. And if you want to sign it or whatever you want to do, something you want to draw something on it, whatever, I just think it would be kind of fun to have that on the back of the plate. So when you put it on the car, just a little something special. But yes, we're super excited to be able to provide these to you all. Little CB McMahan, blue and white in the front of your vehicle. Take a picture of it, send us a video of you putting it on your car. We'll put it on Facebook, hashtag it CBM 2018. Guys, can't thank you enough. So glad to be able to provide this for you, and looking forward to seeing it on your vehicles. Okay, thanks y'all. Take care. Bye-bye.